Hello, my name is Bryn Hartman and I am the Dental Hygiene Interim Program Administrator at Youngstown State University. Here at YSU, we offer an accredited 4-year Bachelor of Science in Dental Hygiene degree program. For those of you who do not know, registered dental hygienists are licensed primary care oral health professionals. Common services included in the dental hygiene scope of practice include, but is not limited to, patient assessments, radiographs, prophylaxis, and fluoride treatments. Our dental hygiene facilities are located on campus in Cushwall Hall. At the completion of our program, graduates can administer local anesthesia and nitrous oxide, as well as place fillings and restorations under the supervision of a dentist. Currently, there is a shortage of registered dental hygienists. The profession is expected to grow faster at an average of 7% between now and 2032, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. This is considered faster than average for all occupations. About 16,400 openings for dental hygienists are expected each year up until 2032. The Dr. Madeline Haggerty Dental Hygiene Program is a restricted program. Prospective dental hygiene students must apply and compete for conditional acceptance into the program. The application window begins March 1st of every year, and you must successfully apply by September 1st for spring admittance. I wish all YSU prospective students good luck and hope that they will consider dental hygiene as their major.